If you've already sent a document in DocuSign and realize the signing order isn't right, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly change the signing sequence without starting over. Make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Once you're logged into your DocuSign account, head over to the Agreements section. This is where all your sent and received documents are stored. Find the document you want to adjust and click on the three dots next to it in the Sent section. From the options that appear, choose Correct. Now this won't let you edit the actual content of the document, but it will let you manage recipients. Inside Correction mode, click Add Recipient and you'll see the current list of signers along with numbers showing their signing order. To change the sequence, simply update these numbers. For example, if the third signer needs to go second, just change their number to 2 and the order will update automatically. Once you have arranged everything the way you want, click Next, double check the details and then hit Correct to save. From here, DocuSign will follow the new signing order and route the document accordingly. And that's it. A quick way to fix signing order in DocuSign even after sending. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy 2025 tech guides.